So after age 30, something just happens to your body where you're like, oh, I hurt, I'm old. Now I know what my parents or whoever was saying when they'd say they hurt. Your back hurt, your hips hurt. Well, I got tired of hurting, and I've been wanting to get back into exercising for a long time. Like, I told myself after I had Wade, I was gonna get back into it because he's 5. After I had my oldest daughter, it was my first time getting into a workout regimen because I had gained quite a bit of weight after I had her and it wasn't going anywhere. So I started making better choices with my food, and I started doing the DVD workouts. And I was doing 4 miles a day. I got into it. I got back down to my pre-pregnancy weight. I was feeling so good. I was so strong. And then I got pregnant again. But at the time I was really young, so I was like, I don't know, can I still work out? And yeah, girl, you can still work out. You can do a lot more than cardio, but I just kept up with the cardio while I was pregnant with my youngest daughter. After I had her, and I took my rest and everything, and when I felt ready to get back into it, I took it up a notch. Now I was working out with Jillian Michaels. Now she's gonna work you out. Now that's when I got into the weight training and push-ups and all that stuff. I was only doing push-ups on my knees. I got out of that routine a little bit, like a couple years later, and anyway, long story short, I ended up pregnant with my youngest son, and after I had him, I could do full body push-ups just after carrying him around and stuff. Like, for real, I don't know how it happened, but I also didn't have any medication when I gave birth to him. Like, it was all natural. So I was strong, man. I was really strong, but I was still carrying the baby weight. Just slowly but surely, I've slowly lost it just by being active and doing things around the house, not like necessarily working out. But I've wanted to get back into working out because the body hurts. The body hurts. You move it or you lose it. I have been wanting to get back into the routine. And I've tried a couple times. I've tried and fell back off the map. Well, I'm back into it. I finally got back into it last Monday, I believe was my first day. And I've been doing 30 minutes on the bike, which usually ends up to being about 3 miles. And then, because I'm not going ham, I'm not going crazy or anything, I'm going to work my way up. It's a marathon, not a sprint, okay? And I'm also doing this thing that I found on Pinterest, 1 month glow up challenge. I've been doing the Monday workout every day that I'm able. Because I knew right away, I knew what it was like to start up a workout routine after you haven't worked out in a long time. And I was like, man, I know I'm going to be so sore, my muscles. That's my head telling me that I can't do it, right? But I decided I was going to do it anyway because I'm like, I am so tired of hurting. I'm tired of waking up and I'm sore. I'm tired of like not being as energized throughout the day and things. So I pushed myself through it. Y'all, I couldn't walk down the stairs. I couldn't get in the car. I was so sore like the second and third day. And of course I had to take a rest and stuff. But if my muscles felt good enough, I got on the bike at least. I did do that. And so I've just been doing it as I can go. And today is Wednesday. The kids were off Monday for President's Day. And I didn't work out then, but yesterday and today I did, and I already feel so much stronger. I'm only on the 2nd week, and I had the whole weekend to rest. So I say all that to say, if you can just push through like that first week, maybe 2 weeks, you are going to start feeling so much stronger. Whatever it is anyway. Whatever it is that you've got your mindset on doing, it doesn't have to even be exercising. You can do it. If you just push yourself through it. You got to make yourself a priority, babe. No one else is going to do it for you. And this has all just been part of my journey to take better care of myself because it's about longevity. It's about being here. It's about being the best that I can be every day for my kids. It's about making sure that I'm here for them later on down the road. It's about taking care of my mind. All those things. Because you only get this one life, y'all. And you deserve to live it to the fullest. So, I'm going to have to turn off this one light to do my brows. It'll be alright, right? I don't know why. That light above my head, I can't see my eyebrows when I'm trying to do them. Now, while we taking care of ourselves and feeling ourselves, if y'all saw that short where I went shopping, we got some new blush and highlighter I'm going to add in today, as well as an eyeshadow palette. We're going to try to play with that too, because we feeling ourselves today. Walking on eggshells. No, ma'am. We are not about that. It's a pretty palette, though. Got the Wet n Wild because I'm cheap. This is progress over perfection right here, y'all. You know how long it's been since I got foundation on my shirt. Not cool. I'm still gonna wear it, though. Dude, I ain't even got an eyebrow brush or eyeshadow brush. I really don't. Sis, she done took my eyeshadow brush. I swear you can't have nothing around daughters. You can't have nothing around daughters. They're gonna take your stuff. They even opened up my palette without me. They did that. Can't have nothing. Well, we might be skipping out on the eyeshadow because I don't even have a brush to put it on. Gotta go find one. And it ain't gonna be clean, you know that. It'll be alright though. We still got this. I was feeling like for springtime, I want to do some blush. It's really sparkly though. I don't even know if I'm gonna need the highlighter. I'm nervous. But on the surface, she looks calm and ready. Y'all remember the trick? You just smile and you can see your apples. That's where you put the blush. I don't really see it making a difference. It's sparkly though. Okay, I see it. I'm just more blind in this eye than this one. Yeah, I don't know if I'm gonna do the highlight. I'm nervous. Ever since all these wrinkles start coming in, I'm like, highlight, child, I don't know. Bronzer, get some bronzer in there. Sculpt out them cheeks. Yeah, so I'm hoping to get on like Tuesday of that little challenge. That'll be good. I feel like I can. I feel like I'm getting strong enough. And now the next goal, I am obsessed with soda, y'all. I am so obsessed with soda. Like, I'm addicted to it. It's not a joke. I'm addicted. And it's so bad. It's so bad. But that is my next goal, is to slowly, we're going to take baby steps on it. Get down to like 1 soda a day. Like, that's the goal. I don't even want to just quit it yet and just get down to 1 soda a day. I feel like I deserve it. Okay? I deserve it. I'm sober. I'm a stay-at-home mom. Let me have my pop. Okay? That's my little spill for today. I have to try the eyeshadow next time. Ah, nah. Girl. I hate this mascara. Y'all know that, right? I hate this mascara. But we're using it till it's gone. $6, man. $6. This eye needs another coat. This one's gonna turn out just fine. Happens every time. So I got this cute little sweater I'm gonna wear over this shirt, which is hopefully gonna disguise the little spots of foundation. I should have wore a bib. Gosh. Look, it's so cute. It's pretty. I don't know. But that's gonna be it for today. Take care of you.